We'll guide you through how to install plugins in FL Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First thing that you need to do is download your plugin from our trusted website. So just go to any browser to your liking and go to websites like X for Freeware and just download your plugin. You can just download it as an exe file. So let's say I want to install OTT plugin exe file. I'll just click on download and you will see now our exe file will be successfully downloaded. Just click on it to open the installer, and after that just click on next, and now select your destination folder. Now you can just leave it at default and click on next. And here you can choose your installation location for your VST file. So just click on browse, and if you are not sure where you want to save it, so let's start by going to FL Studio and go to options, go to manage plugins and go to the folder icon. And once you are here, just go to the plugins and go inside Fruity, and you will see effects and generator. And as the plugin that I am trying to install is effects, so I'll just go inside the effects and just select all of the text in the address bar and press Ctrl C and go to the installer and paste it here exactly and click on install. And as you can see, our installation has been successfully finished. So I'll just click on finish. Once that I've done that, you can just go ahead and close this window. And once you click on find installed plugins, you will see the list of plugin will appear. Now scroll down and you will see OTT has been successfully installed. Now just click on the star icon so it is easier for you to access later on. Now you can just go ahead and close this window by clicking on the cross icon. Now let's go ahead and test it. Just go to the mixer and just go to any empty slots, and from here just click on more plugins and search for OTT, and you will see it has been successfully installed. So I'll just click on it, and now you will see this pop-up, which means our installation has been successful. And that's it. That's how you install plugin in FL Studio.